Hi everybody, I'm Adria and I'm a first year PhD student at the UCL Energy Institute. I was born in Barcelona, but I've been living in London for the last 2 years. However, because of COVID-19, I'm currently back to Spain where I'm waiting for everything to settle down. I did my bachelor and master's in architecture, but although I enjoyed designing buildings, I didn't see myself working in an architectural firm. For that reason, after finishing my studies, I decided to start working with a group of professors developing energy renovation strategies for local and regional authorities and the national government. This experience was wonderful and triggered my interest in sustainability. For that reason, I came to London to study a master's in environmental technology at Imperial College. However, my interest in the subject did not end there, and I decided to study a PhD. And here I am. The RB program was the obvious choice for me, for 3 reasons. Firstly, because it combines 2 of my main academic interests, energy and the built environment. Secondly, because it's highly interdisciplinary despite being funded by EPSRC. That means that you can share a lecture with an engineer, but also with an anthropologist. And obviously learning from such a mixture is really interesting. Thirdly, because it's well connected with the industry, and that means, in my case, that my findings will have a direct impact on the real world. So far, I really enjoyed the program, and especially those lectures on research design and methods. And I really enjoyed the opportunity to meet a lot of people working on similar topics. My research is funded by Passive Systems, which is a company developing smart heating controls, and although it's a social science project, it's highly interdisciplinary. And I even plan to do some physical monitoring of domestic buildings. In my PhD, I aim to understand how people experience thermal comfort and what matters for them when using heat pumps with smart heating controls. I would like to compare these findings with how smart thermostats sense thermal comfort. Because although really complex models of thermal comfort have been described in the literature, including a wide range of variables, smart thermostats still rely in measuring indoor operative temperature to take their decisions and expect users to communicate with them only in terms of minimum temperature and time. During my research, I would like to help to develop human-centered heating controls more relevant for human needs. So far, I have done an initial analysis of the literature and I'm finishing my pilot project. In this pilot project, I'm interviewing people working at the customer service team to understand what are the main complaints and questions that people have. In the next months, I plan to improve my literature review and compare what is known about thermal comfort with the current characteristics of heating devices and the vision of comfort that technology designers have. I plan to use all this evidence as my case for upgrade in January. After that, I plan to interview some users to understand whether they can feel and value the issues found in the literature. And I'm planning to monitor some of these elements too in 1.5 years, so not this winter but the next one. I would like to collaborate with people researching heating controls in general, even if they are not for domestic buildings. Anything ranging from cars to shops or offices would be really nice. Also, I would like to collaborate and learn from people working on thermal comfort in general. Thank you very much and see you soon.